Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Major Lennox here, MajorsHouse.com, enthusiastviews.blogspot.com. I'm here to show off something that's probably been in existence for about over a year now. It's Raspberry Pi, pretty dope. It's a computer, but it sells a business card. It's pretty awesome. It's run off of this SD card. So I have a wireless keyboard and mouse dongle in here, wireless network adapter in here too. Thing runs off of a micro USB, which is right here, and for video runs off of HDMI. You can get an HDMI DVI, plug it to a monitor, but I'm gonna plug it up to this nice 32-inch TV here. Normally it actually does come stock with a Ethernet port, which is actually pretty good, but I've opted for the wireless adapter. So go plug this in. Now, for some people, the HDMI, the Raspberry Pi actually might be pre-installed with software, but unfortunately this one wasn't. So we'll plug the HDMI. Actually, maybe we'll turn the TV on. Set that right here. Alright, got the remote control. We'll plug the TV on. I guess while that's doing all that, micro USB cable, got that here, and cable should come on. So you know I'm gonna stay on this side, no copyright content. Shut up, you don't hear what would have possibly been King of Queens. Alright, so now that we have it on the right channel, on the HDMI, we'll plug this in here. Alright, so I'm not sure if you can see it. Lights came on, and now things are on the screen. Things are happening on the screen. So as you can see, here's booting up a version of Debian, which is especially made to run on Raspberry Pis. Raspbian OS, I assume is what it's being called. As you can see in here, there are no other computers in here other than, well, maybe this Roku box, if that's what you want to call a computer, whatever. Behind us there actually is a laptop, but you know, we don't have sophisticated stuff in here to run whatever the Intel wireless visual thing is. Fuck, I don't care. Have my trusty Logitech K400 keyboard. $40, which, yeah, but actually I think I bought this for like $35. Amazon.com. Actually did a little small review of it on its own, and then hooking it up to a Nexus 7, which is also pretty dope. Alright, so it's booted, and it's got the Raspberry Pi logo. It's pretty awesome. So I actually have an awesome keyboard here, so I assume that the wireless isn't configured yet. Not even, let's see, internet. See, it's fully functioning Linux. I guess, yeah, Midori is what I want to use. Thank you, camera lady. You're very awesome at this. Yeah, normally it would be me behind the camera shooting things, but as you said, I'm here, and it seems I don't have, you know, invisible hands holding things. I actually have my wonderful fiance behind the screen here. Oh, something's come up. Okay, so here's the browser. It looks like a very light version of Firefox. So I'm gonna come here and see if Google will work.
I can't see the screen.
You can't see it. Why can't you see it?
It's white.
It's very white, and yeah. It's like more white screens, it does tend to do that. So, alright. You walk up to it and get Google. Whoa, it actually did pull up Google. That's pretty interesting. Didn't think that the wireless was working, so let's see here. Go to, I would sign into Google, but it would take forever, and I don't want to show you any credentials or anything. Let's see. Let's go to YouTube. Very seriously, not anything YouTube would play, but YouTube does load up. Oh, I don't have Flash. Oh. So apparently, like I said, I've set the the locale settings to the UK. So it's going to think that I'm in the UK for a lot of these websites. But as you can see, this is YouTube. Like I said, two-finger scrolling actually on this keyboard still works. So I'm not going to show anything. Oh, well, there we go. Well, it's kind of hard to show me than show it. Yeah, you know. Just we know it does work. It's kind of hard to show a lot of things on YouTube without possibly doing anything wrong. I'm going to see if I can pull something up. I very seriously doubt it. It takes forever, so I'm not sure if it's just the actual device itself, like the Raspberry Pi, or the wireless. Okay, so it still says missing plugin, so yeah, I'm not being able to pull up the video. I'm not sure if it's a Raspberry Pi, if it's my wireless signal coming from like what would assume to be just not even 10 feet away, or the actual wireless device is plugged into the Raspberry Pi and it's causing it not to work or not to go as fast, but it really isn't as fast as you want it to go. So let's see here. So pop in terminal. Yeah, see, that seems to be popping up very fast. What I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my laptop. Log into my server here. Ah, crap, you know what? Yeah, because of the fact that... let's see here. Just log into that server because none of those accounts exist. Log into a local server here on the network. Ooh, Twitter. And my volume levels at home in the office are weird. So yay, now I'm logged into my server at home, which is pretty awesome. I can do things. I'm not sure what exactly I can do right now, but yeah, I did it. So even terminal is pretty good. It's working. I can SSH into my laptop in my office. So we got the Pi Store. I assume I can put things from the Pi Store onto the device. I only have a 4 gigabyte storage capacity. Half of that seemed to have been taken up by installing the OS. So load up. Yay! You got the Pi Store. And it's still loading. I can log in, and I guess I have an account. I can set up an account. It's powered by Indie City. I don't know who they are, but it sounds dope. Okay. Okay, so it seems to be updating the client, but this is gonna... okay. It'll be alright. So yes, as you can see here's updating by apt-get. Again, for those who aren't familiar with Linux, this is a Debian version. Whoever's familiar with Linux but doesn't really know that much, this is a fork of Debian, similar to Ubuntu, Linux Mint. I personally like to use Fedora, not because I work at Red Hat. I've been using Fedora since before then, but I still like Fedora over Ubuntu. So this might still get some getting used to if I were to try to update it. So let's see, it seems like when it tries to update, it kills whatever process that I happen to be running. Trying to update, yeah, I really don't feel like waiting for that to update. So let's see here, what do I got? What's we got in here? Down here in this bottom menu. Oh, okay, there we go. So you got the preferences. You can sit there and change some things up in here. System tools, task manager.
Can't see it.
Can't. No, you can't see it, though. I wonder. Let's see here. Customize look and feel. Maybe I can change the background to a black background or something. I guess while we're waiting on that, yeah, so your preferences, system tools, your actual program, but there's really nothing in there at the moment. Oh, there it goes. Customize look and feel. Oh, it's too late now. I don't even care about it. Yeah, a lot of applications and stuff in here. Like I said, again, probably can't see it because all the white in the background is washing it out, and didn't really think about that until now. Graphics, internet, educational stuff, possibly nothing showing up. So doing something else. That's why it's not showing up. Scratch and squeak. Raleigh. Ooh, there's a Raleigh thing. That just makes it like Windows. I don't like that. That makes it look like Windows too. I wonder if that's supposed to be a dig at. I wonder if that's supposed to be a dig at Red Hat. Desktop preferences. Let's look at that. Oh, there we go. See if we can change it to that. Okay. Ah, there we go. Alright. How's that? Let's see if we can see things now. I still really can't see the words, which kind of suck. But yeah, so now you can actually still see that there's a menu sitting there, but oh, there are things and accessories now. Let's see. The file manager. What? Apparently my assistant is getting restless and possibly hungry. So I guess that, yeah, until we figure this out. Oh, there we go. So there's a file manager, stuff in here. I can store things, access them. Ooh, rubbish. I wonder if I switch that to US, would that say trash and not rubbish? So you can do applications from here as well. Look at the menu options, I guess, for that. But yeah, so there's actually 8 items in here, not 3. So yeah, this is a Raspberry Pi right now. I'm still kind of going through some stuff. Didn't really decide to update beforehand, and it seems like it's still trying to update some more things. Maybe I'll have some more stuff up here. Probably won't be for another couple of weeks because of the fact that borrowing this, I have to return it, and then I'm probably gonna buy my own within the next couple of weeks. I checked it out and get it for about $35. Go to raspberrypi.org, and so I guess it's a little place where you can go buy. It's got like 3 different retailers. You can pick one up for about $35. Again, it's no bigger than a business card, so pretty much you can take this attached to the back of a TV. I've seen various OSs to where you can run like web servers off of it. I can run. This one actually does run SSH. So if I can figure out the IP address on it, I can essentially SSH into it, turn it into a small little file server, and kind of put in a shoebox or some shit and call it a day. Probably run some small home automation stuff. Coworker is actually going to use it to do a open source version of AirPlay, which is actually pretty dope. I actually want mine to do it. That every time I walk into a room, it plays music like a theme song. So every time I walk into a room, Superman theme plays. Sound like a wrestler. Be pretty dope. Or I can even get a laugh track to play if I were to open it. But I digress. Again, this is Raspberry Pi. It's pretty dope. This is Major Linux for MajorsHouse.com and EnthusReviews.blogspot.com. Signing out. Peace. Very slow at